So, hello everyone. The purpose of this video today is to make on understanding the ASTM D882 for tensile testing of plastics, mainly the plastic films. So the goal of this video is to educate packaging professionals, lab technicians, QC managers and procurement team on ASTM D882, why it matters, how to conduct the test and how to interpret the results. So plastic films look simple, but testing their strength is anything but. ASTM D882 is the global standard for measuring tensile properties of thin plastic sheeting, but are you doing it right? So what is ASTM D882? The ASTM D882 is a standard method to test the tensile properties of thin plastic sheetings. It gives us key mechanical parameters like tensile strength, elongation, yield point, and modulus of elasticity. Now, why this test is important? Whether it's food packaging, lamination films, barrier layers, or medical grade plastics, knowing how your films behave under tension helps in design, quality control, and compliance. So now we will understand that how to prepare the specimen for the testing. The test uses strips of plastic films, usually 15 to 25 mm wide and 150 mm long. The thickness should be less than 1 mm. Specimens must be cut precisely, aligned in the same direction, machine or transverse, and conditioned at standard lab conditions. The standard lab condition can be 23 degrees Celsius plus minus 5 degrees Celsius with 50% relative humidity plus minus 5%. So now we'll understand how to perform the testing. Using the tensile testing machine with suitable grips, the film is pulled at a constant rate, typically 300 mm per minute or 500 mm per minute. That depends on the elongation of the sample. If elongation exceeds 100%, then the speed has to be set to 500 mm per minute, otherwise 300 mm per minute, and that is mentioned in the standard. So load and elongation are recorded digitally. Now it is important to ensure no slippage and avoid stress concentration due to poor grips. So a suitable grips is very important. Now key results and interpretation. ASTM D882 gives you results like tensile strength, which is equal to maximum force, that is divided by cross-sectional area, and percentage elongation, which is equal to change in configuration divided by the original configuration of the specimen multiplied by 100. Now we'll understand about common mistakes and tips to control it. First point, not aligning the film properly. Second, gripping too tight or too loose. Third, using films of non-uniform thickness. Also, never compare D882 result with ASTM D638, which is used for rigid plastics. They are for different materials and they have different rules. So by these tips, you can maintain an accurate testing as per the universal standards. Thank you so much.